Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, today I will discuss about the relation between innate system and adaptive system. In previous lecture I discussed about innate immunity and adaptive immunity, and we know that what is innate immune cells and adaptive immune cells. Innate immune cells includes dendritic cell, macrophage, natural killer cells, neutrophils, and adaptive immune cells has only two cells, B cells and T cells. So first of all, when a dendritic cell and macrophage contacts with a pathogen or foreign bodies, it engulfs the pathogen. How? We know dendritic cell has pattern recognition receptor and pathogen has pathogen associated molecular patterns like lipopolysaccharide or peptidoglycans, etc. So when this red colored pattern recognition receptor and blue colored pathogen associated molecular pattern binds with covalent bond, it then engulfed by macrophage and dendritic cell. When this engulfment by macrophage and dendritic cell occurs, there is a destruction of the
pathogen.
When its T cell identify a protein or peptide, it will then activate, and T cell do not respond with lipid or carbohydrate. It only responds with short peptides. So dendritic cell engulf the pathogen and destroy it and display the pathogen by short peptide, and at the same time they release some pro-inflammatory cytokines. Again, macrophage engulf the pathogen, destroy it and process the pathogen by short peptide and forms short peptide and release some pro-inflammatory cytokines. These pro-inflammatory cytokines activates the inflammation, and it also attracts some molecules or some other antigen presenting cell and other inflammatory cells. So first of all, when pro-inflammatory cytokines released, this dendritic cell is movable, but macrophage do not move. When dendritic cell destroy the antigens and produce short peptides, it goes to the secondary lymphoid organ like spleen or lymph node. There is a T cell and B cell. These cells are the cells of adaptive system. Then these short peptides is displayed on the dendritic cell by MHC class II protein. We know all nucleated cell has MHC class I proteins, and all antigen presenting cell, professional antigen presenting cells has MHC class II proteins. What is MHC? We have to know what is MHC. MHC means major histocompatibility complex. Major histocompatibility complex. This protein display and present these short peptides to its cell surface of the dendritic cell and macrophage. But we know that dendritic cell can move, it moves to the lymph node and binds with the T cell receptor of T cell. These T cell are naive T cell and or inactive T cell. So when this complex is formed by MHC class II with short peptide, this red colored, and TCR or T cell receptor, there is an activation of T cell or naive T cell. Then this T cell is called active T helper cell. This T cell then goes to the peripheral tissue where inflammation occurs and where macrophage engulf the pathogen. Then T cell goes to the macrophage and a complex formed with T cell receptor, this T cell receptor and macrophage. Then T cell release some cytokines like cytokine 8, which enhance the activity of macrophage. This will activate and more enhance the inflammation and protection of our body. So this is the relation between innate immune cell and adaptive immune cell. First of all, this relation is formed by the dendritic cell, who is the main activator, because dendritic cell moves to the lymph node and where T cell present, this T cell comes to the peripheral tissue and it will activate the macrophage and more inflammation occurs and more killing of the pathogen occurs. I tried to establish a relation between innate immune cells and adaptive immune cells, and thank you very much.